Hey, Shopify store owners! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of importing discounts into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Whether you're migrating discounts from another platform, updating your discount data, or creating bulk discount records, this tutorial will help you get it done easily and efficiently. Before starting the import process, it's essential to have your CSV file prepared correctly to avoid errors. Here's how to do it. Organize columns. Include essential columns like discount code, type, value, usage limits, start date, and end date. If you have custom fields, ensure they are also included in your file. Check for errors, verify column headers are accurate and formatted correctly. For instance, dates should follow Shopify's required format. Numeric fields, like discount values, should exclude symbols like % or $. Avoid extra spaces or special characters in text fields. Save as CSV. Ensure your file is saved in CSV format. If you're unsure about the format, you can export a sample from StoreRobo to use as a template. Now, let's go through the process of importing discounts using StoreRobo. Open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and go to the Import section. Upload your file from your computer, use a URL, or connect an FTP profile. You can also import discounts directly from WooCommerce using WooCommerce API. Once your file is selected, choose the delimiter used in the CSV file. By default, this will be a comma. If you're unsure or want to confirm the delimiter, use the preview option to check your file. If the file is correctly formatted, a preview of the first few rows will be displayed. If there's an issue, the preview will be broken. Next, select discounts as the data type. Click Proceed to preview and import your discounts. StoreRobo will automatically detect and map all columns from the CSV. You can enable the Update Discount option if you are updating existing discounts or if you want to prevent the creation of duplicates. Now, you can either schedule the import for a specific date and time or click Proceed to start importing immediately. As the import progresses, new discounts will be added to your store. Once the import is complete, you'll receive an email notification, and all the discounts will appear in your Shopify store. Remember that the import time can vary depending on the data size you're importing. And that's it. Now you know how to import discounts into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable tutorials. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below or contact our support team.